Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. In our old pal Fernbark's garage today, just because it's winter and it's not very hot out. So I wanted to try the $4 stove today. Actually, you can see the price tag right here. Just a little focus. Come on, camera. Focus. Okay. So it doesn't want to focus, but here you go. I got this in the Asian market for $4. So someone had mentioned dropping a Trangia in there, so I thought I'd do that right now and make a hot brew. Alright, so I got my fuel bottle. Let's see. So, one question, nagging question is, how do I light it and then drop it down inside here? So, because I have kind of big hands. Okay, there's that. Can I get this guy going with a ferro rod, I wonder? That won't work. Not sharp enough. I thought maybe it'd be slick just to slide the ferro rod through and pull back, but I think these are too rounded. Let's see. Trying to get an angle so you guys can see. So, is that too far, I wonder? I should have brought one of those So lighting this appears to be kind of a challenge. Alright, just trying to get this guy lit. Now lighting this is a real bitch, because I don't have anything long enough to get down to the full. Wow. Oh, well there you go. A Fernbark to the rescue. going. Finally going. I was asked if this would fit down inside the, as I send my lid flying. So this actually does fit almost all the way down, like that. But I worry about it smothering the flame, so slide these on. There we go. Alright, note to self, do not, and to anyone who tries this, don't touch these. They get very hot. I learned that the hard way. Make a little salted caramel hot chocolate. I think I already have boil already. Nope, not quite. Alright, she's just cranking right along at full blast. And it's putting off a lot of heat. Water's almost boiling. I didn't think to look at the time for the boil time. I should have done that. Wow, there's actually a flame shooting out the side, on the back side. If I can get the camera off and show you this. Go handheld here a minute. Come here. You can actually see the flame shooting out. And we have a boil. Handle doesn't get too hot. That's good. See how that thing's just cranking along. Now these are really hot, so I'm wondering how I'm going to pull those out to snuff the flame out. And not burn myself in the process. Wow, it actually... Dang. See that? It actually burnt through. Okay, I can't get the simmer ring on there without the... Wow. Yeah, that is, that's crazy. That thing just completely melted through. That tent stake. See? Watch, I can't hold it up and show you because it's burning hot. Hope that thing doesn't... I didn't bring a pair of tongs either. Hope if I could fish that out of there real quick. Ah, damn it. Okay, so wow. I wasn't expecting the aluminum tent stake to melt through like that. That was insane. Hot taco tastes really good though. I'm really glad I didn't have a lot of fluid in there because it burnt out relatively quick. I had on basically full blast. But as soon as it cools down, I'll show you the I'll show you the tent stake that fell down inside. I might roll in a couple photographs too. That was crazy. I'm glad no mishap, but wow. Well, that was interesting. Let's see if this guy has cooled down enough. So if you hear me bark out and scream. So there's the tent stake. Trangia, of course, unharmed. And I got the little piece here. Wow. Well, this one's totally fine. It's just this other one just totally melted through. That's insane. I honestly had no idea it was going to melt through like that. Hot chocolate's good though, so, and you know, nothing melted I can see. Sweet. Okay, so the stove with the Trangia worked well for boiling. I don't know about cooking because I don't think there's really a lot of room in here for the Trangia for the simmering. I mean, getting it down in there with keeping it upright is a bit of a challenge. I mean, I don't have a ton of space on each side for the simmering. I guess we could take a look though and see how much simmering I can actually get on there, which is not easy to even drop in. Alright, well you can actually get it in there. Let me turn that around.